Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 14 unique gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. 3-in-1 Charging Station for Apple. Power up with true 15 watts fast wireless charging. Our charger, Qi2 certified, ensures premium performance and seamless compatibility with all Qi-enabled devices. Experience advanced MagSafe-like charging efficiency, keeping your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods fully powered. The innovative auto-rotating feature optimizes charging angles, while the pop-up dock simplifies multi-device charging. Its ultra-compact rectangular design makes it a space-saving, travel-friendly essential. Upgrade your charging game with Cube Trick X, complete with a 30 watts adapter and 1.5 meters USB cable for maximum convenience. Number 2. Apple Watch Silicone Charging Holder. Elevate your Apple Watch charging experience with Delidige's retro-inspired stand. Designed for all Apple Watch models, including Ultra 2 and Series 10-1, it supports nightstand mode while adding nostalgic charm with its game console look. Made from premium scratch-free silicone, it ensures a stable, secure base. Precision cutouts hold your charger perfectly, with built-in cable management for a tidy setup. Just insert your Apple Watch charger, place your watch, and enjoy hassle-free charging. Note: Apple Watch and charger not included. Number 3. Kits with motor for assembling harp tracks. Experience engineering magic with a great ball contraption harp track with 1508 precision building blocks. This model recreates the mesmerizing movement of a real harp track. Powered by an XL motor and lithium battery, it features 10 rolling marbles and a stunning design for display. Mold King's high-quality abs and carbon fiber ensure durability and compatibility with leading brands. Ideal for builders of all ages, it sparks creativity and coordination. Missing pieces? No worries, we'll replace them free of charge. Number 4. LCD digital timer in the form of a flip cube. Master your time with the Tick Time Cube Timer. Featuring 6 preset countdowns. 5th March 2010/15 by 25/30 minutes. This smart cube lets you switch modes instantly, just flip it. Need custom timing? Easily set your own up to 59 minutes. Perfect for studying, workouts, meetings, or cooking. It enhances productivity with an HD LCD screen and adjustable 5-level volume. Compact yet durable, its non-slip tabs build ensures long-lasting performance. Charge for 3 to 5 hours before first use and start managing time more efficiently today. Number 5. Ultralight Waterproof Medical First Aid Kit. Stay prepared with the Rhino Rescue Small First Aid Kit. Compact yet packed with 107 essential items, it's perfect for emergencies at home, outdoors, or on the go. Measuring just 7.72 x 5.35 x 1.85 and weighing only 315 g, this waterproof kit is easy to carry. Whether for travel, hiking, or workplace safety, it provides reliable first aid protection when needed. Delivered within 24 to 48 hours, Rhino Rescue ensures you are always ready for unexpected situations. Safety starts with preparation. Number 6. Docking Station USB-C Hub with HDMI Connector. Upgrade your workstation with the Union Joy Pro 17-in-1 USB-C Hub. Featuring 8K HDMI, 4K at 120 Hz DP, VGA, 1000 Mbps Ethernet, USB 3.0, SD/DF slots, and a 20 watts PD charging port. This powerhouse expands your connectivity seamlessly. Designed for MacBooks, laptops, and PCs, it supports 4-screen MST display, ensuring ultimate multitasking. With C, FCC, and ROSE certification, it guarantees reliability. From high-speed data transfers to immersive displays, the Union Joy Pro Hub transforms your setup into a productivity powerhouse. Number 7. Motorcycle Model 1. 8. Build your dream ride with the motorcycle Harley Slim R18 model. This detailed building block set is compatible with major brands, offering a rewarding experience for motorcycle enthusiasts and collectors alike. Made from eco-friendly ABS plastic, it provides durability and realism. Whether for kids aged 6 plus or adult collectors, this set makes a fantastic gift. Complete with easy-to-follow assembly instructions, it's a must-have for any fan of classic motorcycles and high-quality building blocks. Start assembling your masterpiece today. Number 8. Kinesiology Elastic Sports Tape. Enhance performance with OK Tape Professional Kinesiology Tape. Designed for athletes, it improves blood circulation, reduces swelling, and supports muscles without limiting movement. The innovative stretch patterns ensure precise application, while the hypoallergenic, latex-free material prevents skin irritation. Strong Japanese acrylic adhesive keeps it secure during intense workouts and competitions. Water-resistant and breathable, it withstands sweat and movement effortlessly. Get premium quality at a fraction of the cost. Experience the difference with OK Tape's unbeatable support and durability today. Number 9. 60 watts Hot Glue Gadget. Experience crafting versatility with our dual-power hot glue gun kit. With 60 watts and 100 watts modes, switch between gentle 320 degrees Fahrenheit for fabrics and a powerful 385 degrees Fahrenheit for wood and plastic. Fast 90-second preheating ensures efficiency, while 10 included full-size eco-friendly glue sticks deliver smooth, strong adhesion. The 59-inch power cord provides flexibility for projects. Whether for DIY, repairs, or decorations, this glue gun offers precision and reliability. Get creative with confidence, your go-to tool for every crafting need. Number 10. Desktop Magnetic Visual Music. Elevate your audio experience with the Onesisi portable speaker. Featuring nanoscale magnetic fluid technology, this compact speaker delivers powerful sound with stylish RGB ambient lighting. Its sleek, modern design complements any space, making it perfect for home use. With USB connectivity, it ensures seamless playback and long-lasting battery life. Whether for music, movies, or gaming, this speaker provides immersive sound with a fashionable, minimalist touch. Enjoy high-quality audio with a device that enhances both your sound and aesthetics. Number 11. Mini RC Drone HD Camera Wi-Fi. Take flight with the H28 FPV drone. Weighing only 250 g, this compact drone offers 10 to 20 minutes of flight time and a 100-200 meter remote control range. Featuring a brush motor, 3.7 volts Wi-Fi and battery, and Wi-Fi app control, it's perfect for beginners and intermediate pilots. Captures stunning aerial shots with FPV capabilities and enjoys stable, responsive controls. Whether flying indoors or outdoors, the H28 drone delivers a thrilling experience. Includes a remote controller, camera, batteries, USB cable, and instructions. Number 12. Wooden Scratching Post for Cats 3-in-1. Give your cat the ultimate scratching experience with the Pavetta Adjustable Cat Scratcher. Designed with durable pine wood and thickened corrugated cardboard, it withstands daily use while promoting healthy claw care. 3 adjustable angles, 180 degrees, 70 degrees, 40 degrees, offer endless fun for scratching, playing, and napping. Perfect for kittens and large breeds alike, its stylish natural wood design complements any home decor. Protect your furniture while keeping your feline entertained. Pavetta is the premium choice for happy, active cats. Number 13. Professional Hair Dryer with Air Control. Revolutionize your hair routine with the V401 hair dryer. Featuring 40 adjustable speed settings, 70,000, 100, and 10,000 RPM, and 40 temperature options, 60 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius. It offers precision for every styling need. The advanced brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance with reduced noise. Built-in negative ion technology fights frizz, enhancing smoothness and shine. The quick hot-cold air exchange locks in styles effortlessly. Whether for daily use or professional styling, the V401 delivers salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.